Press, lift, press the back, lift, press, lift, press, press, lift your knee, press, lift. Last one. Good job. Take it over the head. And snap. Over the head. And snap. Now, come forward in your chair. Lift those hips. Back. Now, hands on your hips. Ready for heel and toe. And change. Heel and toe.
Mexican hat dance.
Forward, cross, and open.
You need to work on your footwork.
Keep going. Now we're going to walk back in that chair. Walk. Press the back. Lift that knee. Ooh. Pretend you're lifting that skirt. And change.
Whew.
How you doing?
How are you doing? Does hurt?
Here. And push up. Good job.
Super.
It's time for your down band.